Hello, this is a short video of how to install Python Weka Repo 3 on Windows. This installation uses the non-Anaconda approach. Alright, on the documentation we're just going on the installation section and there on the Windows subsection. So I already have a JDK, OpenJDK 11 installed and have a environment variable already set. So I basically then can proceed with the rest of the installation. I don't want to, in this case, I don't want to actually display any graphs in .format because it's a very slow and painful large installation. So I'm just gonna go through the much shorter one where I'm installing just the Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable executables. All right, I'll download these then. 64-bit. Install that. Yes. It's done. All right. Then we're installing Python. 3.12 is fine. Run that installer. Customize that. Yes, we want to have all the documentation and all that. We want to have it for all users, so that's actually a top level directory instead. And then install that. That's going to take a wee while, especially when it's pre-compiling all the standard library components. So that bit is going to take a wee while. It's always a good idea to have a cup of tea or another drink, beverage next to you so you can sip every now and then, since these things take time. But it's only a one-off thing, so it's not too bad. Once you have Python installed, you can do all kinds of other things as well. Want to disable the path length limit just in case. Close that. Alright, that's Python. Okay, now we can open our command prompt. Or if you don't have a shortcut already, you can do that. Just open the start menu and type CMD for command prompt and start that. We have that open. I want to go into my documents directory and create a virtual environment there. So I'm just going to copy this and paste it in there. So for that we're using the virtual environment module that comes with the Python installation already, so we don't have to rely on anything else. So whilst that is setting things up, copying the next command for activating that environment then. Oh, excellent, it's done. Let's activate that. Alright, that's that. And then we can prepare by installing setup tools and wheel. Right, it's done. And now we're omitting the graph support, just plots and the base. Alright, that's installed. So we can test that with a command line 2. Alright, so that works. We can also then start up an interpreter, an interactive one. JVM. That worked, so you can ignore those warnings there. That's just for optimized libraries that it can't find, so it just falls back on the Java side of things. Let's create a classifier. Import that class. No classifier built yet. That's fine. That's the command line. Stopping JVM again, and we're done. And we can also deactivate environment, and that's it. You're up and running.